This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ralph Martinez. This fantastic home located in the Wonderful Heather Glen community is a must-see. This home has the perfect layout, boasting 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, with an open/split floor plan situated on over a 1/4 acre. This home will leave you in awe. You'll appreciate the spacious kitchen, ample master bedroom, ceramic tile and laminate throughout the house, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, and no carpet. As you go out the sliding door in the living room, you'll walk into a nice size screened-in lanai, ready for your outdoor furniture and grill. This space is great for entertaining. You're going to fall in love with the huge backyard. New roof 2019. New air conditioner in 2013. With no CDD and a low HOA fee of $324 per year, this home is a no-brainer. Buffalo Creek Golf Course, a dog park, a new Publix shopping, and great restaurants are nearby. Heather Glen is conveniently located near I-75, I-275, and all major highways to St. Pete and Tampa. Only minutes to the Ellenton Outlet and Florida's incredible Gulf beaches. Don't miss out on this opportunity.